Hi everyone, my name is Faisal. I'm the head of sales for BMW Motorrad Aran Damansara. Of course, I love motorcycle and riding since young. For me, riding a motorcycle, a bike, is a passion where you feel unstoppable with a sense of freedom and pure emotion. So thrill for me is riding with style and attitude. First time when I saw the bike, it was beautifully designed, well-crafted dream bikes, which is really unique, classic and premium. It's so much different from V-twin engine because BMW is a boxer engine. We want to make it different and maintain the BMW essence and to create our own BMW heritage culture. Among all, the only one who go for the modern bobber concept with the monkey bar style. We have a strong team in Bavaria who share a lot of ideas, guidance, and also we have one of the best customizer in Malaysia.
Okay, nama saya Omar Jumiran, saya daripada Eastern Bubur Malaysia. Saya dah berkecimpung dalam bidang custom motor ni dalam 15 tahun lepas lah. Hampir ke semua jenama motor saya dah cincang dah potong. Jadi cabaran dia adalah kita nak bagi dia cantik dalam rupa yang sederhana dan kita nak dia nampak macam bukan kita buat, macam factory yang buat. Benda-benda yang teknikal untuk perjalanan tu saya masih kekalkan kat motor tu. BMW sediakan benda-benda untuk builder customkan mudah. Tak perlu potong pun chassis, kita dah boleh cantikkan motor tu. Jadi kalau nak mudah custom tanpa rosakkan bentuk asal, mana yang asal tu kita boleh simpan tau. Anytime, boleh pasang balik.
I've learned a lot during our building process, the customization process, especially how to be creative, how to think out of the box, how to make the beautiful bike more vibrant, catchy and interesting, and most importantly, it's road legal. You can still use or ride the bike even though it has been customized. Finally, we managed to complete our custom project. We had a lot of fun throughout the journey. So I just want to say thank you so much for everyone, to everyone who involved in this project. Stay with us, there will be more custom project to our customer. Thank you so much.
Saya sebenarnya teruja dengan enjin dia tu. Kalaulah dibenarkan saya nak buat design saya sendiri, just bagi saya enjin, saya bina semua sekali. Itu lebih menggembirakan saya. Terima kasih.